Hello. In this video, we're going to look at question 9 for review for exam 4. After a study on the growth rate of eucalyptus trees, scientists conclude that the trees will grow at a rate of g prime of t is equal to 0.7 plus 4 divided by t plus 1 cubed feet per year, where t is the time in years. A, how much will the tree grow during the second year? Now, t is the time in years, right? So the overall growth in the second year, what you would have to do is say that the growth would be the integral from the first year to the second year of your growth rate function, which in this case is 0.7 plus 4 divided by t plus 1 cubed dt. Now, to do this, first of all, let's distribute that integral. That's the integral from 1 to 2 of 0.7 dt plus the integral from 1 to 2 of 4 divided by t plus 1 cubed dt. Now, this first one's pretty easy to do. That's really not that difficult. This one, however, would have to use a u substitution question. So the first one is just 0.7 t evaluated from t equals 1 to t equals 2. But this one over here, we need to use a u substitution. So I'm going to let u equal the denominator there of t plus 1. So if that's the case, that means that du is dt. Wonderful. And if that's the case, if x equals 1, then u equals 2. And if x equals 2, then u equals 3. So really, this is the integral from 2 to 3 of 4 times u cubed, to the negative 3 power, du. And then I can go ahead and find the antiderivative here. Now, evaluating this, 0.7 times 2 minus 0.7 times 1, that would be 0.7. So that's equal to 0.7 plus, and then over here, this becomes what? Let's see here. That becomes u to the negative 2, and 4 divided by negative 2 is a negative 2. And then evaluated from u equals 2 to u equals 3. Then if we go plug that in, that's going to give us 0.7 plus, what is that? So it's negative 2 over 3 squared, so that's negative 2 over 9, minus, plug in the 2, that's negative 2 over 2 squared, that's 4, aka half. So plus half. So negative 2 over 9, so 0.7 plus negative 2 over 9 plus a half. Oh, what would that be? So negative 4 plus 9 is 5, so 5 over 18. I'm not going to do this in my head anymore. Let's go to the calculator. 0.7 plus 5 over 18 will give me 0.97 repeating, basically. So 0.978. And the units here are in feet. So 0.978 feet. Good deal. That's 9. Now let me look at letter B. So that was 9A. Now let's look at letter B. How much will the tree grow during the third year? Well, it's exactly the same, except this time it's going to be from 2 to 3. That's really all it is. So I can use this information to change all of this and go basically to here, or that with that combined. So overall, the growth here is the integral from 2 to 3 of 0.7 plus 4 divided by t plus 1 cubed dt. I'm going to go ahead and go through all these steps again. That's going to give me the integral from 2 to 3 of 0.7 dt plus the integral from 2 to 3 of 4 divided by t plus 1 cubed dt. So this is going to give me a 0.7 t evaluated from t equals 2 to t equals 3. Now this, of course, would just give me 0.7 there. But this over here, I'm going to use the same substitutions, except this time the x will be 2 and the x will be 3. So 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. So this would become the integral from 3 to 4 of 4 u to the negative 3 dt. So this would be 4, sorry, not 4, negative 2 u to the negative 2, evaluated from, that's a du here, my apologies. It evaluated from u equals 3 to u equals 4, and then just plug everything in. So that's a 0.7 plus, I'm just going to say negative 2 times 4 to the negative 2 minus negative 2 times 3 to the negative 2. Let's go top that in, much easier. So we have 0.7 plus, and then parentheses here, we have negative 2 times 4 to the negative 2 minus the negative 2 times 3 to the negative 2 power. There we go. So 0.7972, or about 0.797. And again, this is in feet. Outstanding. So here we go. Let me go ahead and show it. Fantastic. Here is question 9 for exam for review 4. Sorry, for the review for exam 4. Yes. Fantastic. I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. And in the next video, we're going to look at question 10. Have fun.